So in our previous video, we already explained till that and also till that, but now we are proceeding the forward things. So in two parts, I did the videos of electric potential due to charge, non-conducting sphere, because it also consisting the graph, and graph also requires the understanding. So let's try to understand. The value of infinite to r E dot ds we can determine, because here electric field value is same, E is equal to kq upon r, because we are bringing the charge from infinite to on the surface of this sphere. So when we are bringing a charge from infinite to on the surface of its sphere, so the value is what? V on. It is equals to V on, and this is V out. Okay, so it is equal to V on. So we are putting here E is equals to kq upon r square. Sorry, kq upon capital R. Okay, so first integral we already solved this whole derivation. Now second integral we are going to be solved. So as we got it, the electric field when we are bringing the charge test point from outside to inside, so some particular charge is left behind it. So remaining charge is what? Leaving this surface. So whatever the charge included or acquired by this, we have to be got it. So for this electric field is different, and this is kq into r upon r cube. Okay, multiply it. This is dr. Okay, so this is very easy. And now we are finding here dot dr. So kq upon capital R minus, we have to be take kq is outside upon r cube is also outside, and here we are going to be solve r dot dr. So we are applying here the formula r dot dr. So it will be r square by 2 by using this formula x to the power n dot dx, x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So let's solve here first. Kq upon capital R minus kq upon r cube, and in bracket we are going to be write here this is r square by 2, and the limit is capital R2 smaller, capital R2 smaller, and capital R2 smaller. And now kq upon capital R minus this is kq upon r cube, and it is r square by 2 minus capital R square by 2. Okay, so let's multiply kq upon r. Kq is going to multiply here, so this is r square and 2 into r cube minus minus plus, it is kq upon kq r square upon 2r cube. Okay, here you can observe it, this is power 1. Let's take kq is a common, 1 by r minus kq is a common, so r square upon 2r cube, and here also kq is a common, so plus 1 upon 2r. So let's take an LCM here. Okay, so I hope so you just noted this. So I am going to erase it. Let's take an LCM here. Kq, we are finding electric potential inside, so again I am writing here. Here the LCM is 2r cube, so it is cancelled. So this is 2r square, and it is only minus r square, and here it is 2 cancel, but it is r square. So now we got it here 2r square plus r square, 3r square. So V in is equals to 2r square plus r square, 3r square, kq is a common, 3r square minus small r square divided by 2r cube, divided by 2r cube. Now we are taking a special case. This spatial case is very important because in JEE and NEET examination, the question and the scenario and the condition is going to be changed about this. So spatial case is, you have to be find out electric potential inside. Here, if the test point is on center, if the test point is on center, center means small r is 0. The value of small r is 0 means we are bringing this test point at this center. At this center means the value of r is 0. The value of r is 0. So put it here. So electric potential inside is kq 3r square divided by 2r cube. So the value is 3 by 2 kq upon capital R. So V inside is 1.5. See, kq upon capital R is the value of electric potential on the surface of this sphere. So we can write out Vs. So one relation we got it. Electric potential inside is 1 upon 5 times of electric potential on the surface of this sphere. So hopefully you understood. Surface of this sphere means Vs. You can write down V1 also. Now we are talking about graph variation of electric potential. Variation of electric potential with respect to distance. Okay, so let's draw the graph first. Here 3 cases we are going to be take. This is outside on the surface. Sorry, on the surface, and this is inside. Inside, you know that capital R is more than small r. On the surface, capital R is equal to small r, and it is small r is more than capital R. Here we understood one case is like that. V is inversely proportional to R. Okay, it is maximum. So what actually happened here? This is the value 1.5. Okay, 1.5 why I have taken? Because electric potential is maximum inside, and it is 1.5 times of what? Vs. Why means it is maximum? Why means it is more than electric potential on the surface of the sphere. So the line will be going like this and this. Okay, it is slightly maximum because it is 1.5 times of electric potential at surface. Why means we can say that this is Vs, this is V in. V in by means R is less than capital R. Okay, so these are the conditions, and this is V in on the surface of the potential, and it is the inside. So this is the graph. Here we are talking about electric potential V, and distance is R. So the graph between electric potential and distance. So the condition is understood. If is there any problem, any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, and please like and subscribe this channel because we are just doing large efforts in our team also. So hopefully you understood whole scenario of this electric potential due to charge non-conducting sphere. Thank you so much.